Hello, good morning. It's my pleasure to be back with you in another technology class. Today we're going to continue working with Word documents and we're going to be learning about bulleted and numbered lists. When you open your class folder, you will find the PDF including this video, a Word document named Practice Document, and a picture of what your final work should look like. When you open our practice document, you will find 3 pages. The only one that you will be modifying will be page 3. When you finish your work, click on Save, close the document, and upload it to the portal. Being that said, let's begin. So since we're going to be talking about bulleted and numbered lists, how can this be useful, right? So bulleted and numbered lists can be used in your documents to outline, arrange, and emphasize text. In this lesson, you'll learn how to modify existing bullets, insert new bulleted and numbered lists, and also select symbols as bullets. But also, we're going to format multi-level list. So let's take a look. To create a bulleted list, what we're going to do is to select the text, or actually the list that we want to modify. In this case, we're going to click and drag to select our text. In the Home tab, we're going to move to the Paragraph section. Right there, we're going to find the option that says Bullet, and the other one that says Numbering. On the first one, we can try our bullets, and on the second one, we can actually have list with numbers, but we're going to see this one later on. All right, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to select our text, and after that, we're going to click on this arrow right here. We can see the bullet library, and as we hover our mouse over the different options, we can have a preview of what they look like. So let's say that I want to select this one. And just like that, the text will be formatted as a bulleted list, right? So let's take a look at different options for working with lists. To remove numbers or bullets from a list, the only thing that you need to do is to select the list, as I have right here, and then we're going to click on bullets and automatically it will be gone. All right, now when you're editing a list, you can press enter to start a new line. So let's say that I'm right here on my last item and I want to include another one, so I just press enter and begin typing whatever new item I want to try. Community service, and let's say fund raising like this. As you can see, I just click on enter and begin typing. Right there, my new item will be included. Now by dragging, let's say dragging right here, by dragging the indent markers on the ruler, this right here on top is named ruler. All right, so this specific part of the ruler is called indent. So when we drag the indent markers of the ruler, you can customize the indenting of your list and the distance between the text and the bullet or numbers. So if we, for example, drag this one, we can place our item along the x-axis. And on the small one, we can select how far close our bullet is to the text. All right, now to create a number list, I'm going to use our second page. So when you need to organize a text into a number list, we're offered several numbering options. So yet again, we need to click on this one so we can have the different options that we have. You can format your list with numbers, letters, or Roman numerals, right? Numbers, letters, and Roman numerals are as in this case. Alright, so we're going to select the text again. On the Home tab, we're going to click the drop down arrow next to the numbering command right here. And a menu of numbering style will appear. We're going to move over the mouse over the numbering styles, and a live preview of the numbering style will appear in the document. We're going to select a numbering style that we want to use. In this case, let's say that I want to try this one. All right, so the next text will format as a number list. Yet again, the same way that I tried before, I can just place my cursor at the last item, and I just click on the enter, and just like that I can continue numbering my list. All right, now what if I want to restart a number list? Let's say that I want these 5 items right here to have a different count, or to begin counting on 1, right? Oh, I made a misspell right here. All right, if you want to restart the numbering of a list, where has a restart at 1 option that can be applied to numeric and alphabetical list. All right, so what we're going to do is that we're going to break apart this list. If you double click on enter 1 and 2, you can actually break it apart. All right, but as you can see, the counting keeps on. So what we want to do is that we want to stop this counting, and we want to restart it to 1. So we want to select our test, and what we're going to do is that we're going to right click, you see, and right there you will see an option that says restart at 1. When you do that, then you have another number list that is beginning at 1. All right, so what else can we try right here? We can customize our bullets as well. Customizing the look of the bullets in your list can help you emphasize certain list items and personalize the design of your list, which allows you to format bullets in a variety of ways. You can use symbols in different colors, or even upload a picture as a bullet. To use symbols as a bullet, we're going to select this list right here. Don't you? I'm only modeling. All right, so we're going to select this one, for example. Let's say that I want this type. And on the home tab, we're going to click the drop down arrow next to the bullets command, and we're going to select define new bullet from the drop down menu. So I come here, define new bullet, and right here I can select a picture, a symbol, and also a font. So we're going to click on symbol. The symbol dialog box will appear, as you can see, and we're going to click on font. All right, and right here according to the font that we select, we have different symbols. So it's up to you to explore it, so you can select one that fits what you're looking for. So let's say that I want to select this one. Now let's select this star. All right, and then you're going to click on OK. Then we click on OK again, and just like that, we have a different bullet list. So the symbol will appear in the previous section of the define new bullet dialog box, and then we're going to click on OK. And just like that, we just use a symbol to as a bullet. To change the bullet color, we're going to select the text that we want to modify, or not actually the text. We're just going to click on the bullet like this, and everything will be selected. Then you're going to come to color right here, font color, and just right there just select the color that you want to try. If you don't like these colors, you can actually explore more colors right here. But if you even want more colors, you can come to custom, select kind of the color that you want, and on this bar right here, select the intensity of the color. I will stay with the red one. And just like that, you modify this one. All right, so what else can we try right here? So multi-level list. So what we're going to try now, let me show you on the third page. This right here is the multi-level list. As you can see, as the name suggests, it has different levels. We have the let's say the most important one, or the title one right here, and then we have some branches according to the importance on the sequence. So what we want to try now is that we select our text. Let me go back to my second one. And then we come here, define new number format. Well, first we need to select this one, and then on the third one, right here next to number list, we can modify our multi-level list. We're given different options yet again for us to try according to what we want to express. So we're going to place the insertion point. Let me keep on working with this one, which is the one that we're supposed to modify. All right. So we're going to place the insertion point at the beginning of the line you want to move. So let's say right here. And we're going to press the tab key to increase the indent level of the line. The tab key is on top of the caps lock on the keyboard. All right. As you can see right there, my line moved to the right, but this time it has a different bullet, meaning that we just began our multi-level list. So yet again, you click on the item that you want to modify, and then you click on tab. All right. So to increase or decrease an indent level, you can make adjustment to the organization of a multi-level list by increasing or decreasing the indent level. There are several ways to change the indent level. All right, to increase it, you can come here and it says increase indent. Move your paragraph further away from the margin. So if you try this, then you're pulling it to the right. All right, but let's say that I want to keep this one as a second header, and this option, I wanted to have it below my second one in terms of importance. So I will come here, 1, they're in the same level, but I want them below, and 3. And just like that, we just can keep on modifying our different list. All right. And let's say that this one belongs like that. So basically you click on the item that you want to move in the order, and then you just come here, increase indent, decrease indent. If you want to move one step forward or increase the importance of this item, you just click back right here, decrease indent, and it will go back. All right. So I'm going to specify different specifications in the PDF file where you found this video, and that's why those steps are the ones that you need to follow in order for you to complete our independent work for today. So you're going to be working on this challenge only on page 3, okay? Only on page 3. When you finish your work, you click on save right here, and then you close your document on this arrow, actually this sets, and just like that, you finish your document. Now it's ready for you to upload it to the portal. If you have any question, just let me know, and I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson, and I'll be waiting for your work. So see you next time. Bye bye.